according to Realtor.com, the Sacramento region is expected to be the nation's hottest housing market in 2021. This as more Bay Area residents continue to work for home and they're looking for lower priced areas. So Brandon Haefele with Catalyst Mortgage from Roseville is joining us live this morning with the best advice for saving for a new home. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so let's get right into it because you have some pretty interesting ideas here that can help people just cut back costs. So let's start with the first thing, is just cutting back some maybe frivolous spending or maybe some of the smaller expenditures.
Yeah, I think, really if you're looking to purchase in 2021 or even in the future, right now is to get pre-approved. That's number one, because once you do that, you can find out where you need to cut to be able to save up for that down payment.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, let's talk about some of the ways you can cut. You say if you usually plan a big trip, I do that. I like to plan one big vacation a year. This is the year not to do it.
It really isn't. Right now you have unique ability, since a lot of places are closed, to hunker down like we've done this past year and really use that money and save it instead of going on that trip. Put money aside and start eliminating things like the coffee, the side trips, or where can you pull back on a monthly basis on your budget to really see what I need to do to save now to be able to purchase in the future.
Yeah, and maybe hold back on some of those other new programming streaming sites. Save yourself a couple bucks. What about getting a roommate?
Well, that's another option. I mean, really, you look at how can you supplement your income to be able to save more money. And really, if you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that you're renting right now, getting a side roommate and having, $500-600 a month coming in revenue, that might be enough. There's a common misconception, really, that down payments require 20% or more, and that's just simply not the case. In today's market, you can purchase with as little as 3% down just on a conventional loan, and even less if you qualify for a down payment assistance or down payment assistance or any type of grants that are available. So really the amount of money you need to purchase might be a lot less than you think, and just having that roommate for a year or a year and a half might give you enough money in the bank to be able to purchase.
Now, if you are someone who's fortunate enough to have a job, but you're trying to make some extra money, two things that you mentioned here, get a side hustle. And if you do have a bonus, if you're very fortunate enough to get a bonus during this pandemic, save that.
Yeah, bonuses, raises, anything you're getting right now. If you're fortunate enough and you're blessed to be able to be working right now and you can save, definitely put those things to the side. If you're not needing it now to live, then put it to the side and put it in your savings account for later.
Now, one thing, because we do have to wrap up here, but I think this is a very important thing. You say you can put a pause to your retirement savings.
Absolutely. You can actually borrow against your 401k in some cases, or you can just pause it and then put that money to the side right now on a monthly basis so you have enough. But the important thing is getting pre-approved, because the loan officer you work with can actually educate you on what options are available to purchase and to save up that down payment.
All right. So where can people go to find out more if they want to get in contact with you?
You can go to catalystmortgage.com, or you can give us a call at 916-287-7777.
Perfect, Brandon Haefele. I'm gonna have to give you a call soon because I'm trying to do some major moves myself this year. So we'll get in contact. All right, thank you so much for speaking with us. At 7:49, let's take a look at your traffic this morning.